In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in your GoDaddy account. This process is important for users who might be dealing with transactions in different countries or who have relocated and need their account to reflect their local currency accurately. Let's make this as straightforward as possible, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type GoDaddy into the Google search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be directed to the list of search results. Click on the official GoDaddy website link to navigate to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now, GoDaddy gives you the flexibility to log in using various methods. You can choose to sign in with your email, Facebook, or even your Google account. Choose whichever option is convenient for you. Once you've selected your preferred method, go ahead and enter your email and password. This step is vital to ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive account settings. After entering your credentials, click on the Continue button to log into your account. Upon logging in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll either see your profile photo or your initials. This icon is your gateway to more personalized settings for your account. Click on this profile icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, choose Account Settings to proceed to the area where changes can be made to your account configurations. In the Account Settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Currency. This is where you can manage your financial settings. The default currency option will be displayed here, and there'll be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to explore the list of available currencies that GoDaddy supports. Browse through these options carefully. Once you've identified the new currency you'd like to set as your default, click on it. To confirm your selection, you'll need to click on Make Primary. This action will officially change your default currency, ensuring that all future transactions reflect this new setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in your GoDaddy account. Remember, having the correct currency setup is crucial, as it impacts how you view transaction amounts and ensure they align with your local banking system. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials.